This is Alien Trilogy on the PlayStation. An awesome and incredibly frustrating game. One thing I don't like about it is that you actually load the game by going to Options and Memory Card Management, Load Game. These are not options. This belongs on the front of the whatever. Anyway, this game's pretty badass. This is the final boss. It's very hard, and it's also very annoying, but that's the case with most PlayStation FPS games, so it comes as no surprise. The final boss is surprisingly pretty easy. Save up enough ammo to just blow the shit out of it. Oh shit. Die! I'm pretty sure you're actually not supposed to have as many of those grenades as I have. I just haven't used them before game. Ah! Oh! Also proves that Halo was not the first game to utilize a grenade button. In fact, there's actually two different types of grenades. One's an EMP pulse, the other's I don't know what the hell it is. Ah! One's just a grenade. You know, for as much damage as this piece of shit can take, it really doesn't seem to deal much damage. Die! 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 And destroy the eggs. If you want to know how to perform an alien abortion, the answer is destroy the eggs. And of course those are the head crabs. Anyway, that was a game. I didn't even get all the aliens. At least I got all the secrets, because there aren't any. Who the hell cares?